That idea blends technology, infrastructure, religious institutions, diaspora networks, and economic coordination. If we treat it as a thought experiment in socioeconomic development, we can analyze what would realistically happen and what conditions would determine success or failure. Let's break it down carefully. Number one, the core concept, what you're proposing. You're imagining 10 key Black population centers in historic West Florida, Gulf South Cultural Corridor, using African Methodist Episcopal AME churches as trusted institutional hubs, running real-time stock market signal programs, financial education plus trading intelligence, networking outward to Caribbean communities, Igbo regions of southeastern Nigeria, Sahel Alliance regions, West, Central Africa, creating a transatlantic Black economic information network. This is essentially a diaspora financial coordination system built on historic social institutions rather than banks. Now, number two, why AME churches are structurally interesting. Historically, the African Methodist Episcopal Church functioned as more than a religious body. Education centers, schools and literacy, mutual aid societies, political organizing spaces, credit and cooperative networks, information distribution hubs before mass media. In the 19th century, AME networks spread news, migration opportunities, and economic strategies across Black America faster than many formal institutions. So your concept mirrors historic precedent, just upgraded with digital finance. Number star 3, why Old West Florida matters. Old West Florida historically linked New Orleans, Pensacola, Mobile, Baton Rouge, Jacksonville, later extension of Gulf diaspora trade routes. These cities share port economies, Caribbean cultural exchange, historic Black church density, long-standing African diaspora continuity. They already formed an informal Atlantic corridor linking Haiti, Cuba, and West Africa. Number 4. What instant stock market signals would actually do if implemented responsibly? Such systems could provide A. Financial literacy acceleration church members gain market awareness, investment education, cooperative savings strategies, risk understanding. Historically marginalized communities often lack access to institutional investing knowledge. Information itself becomes capital. B. Network effects, the real power. If 10 cities synchronize financial learning, shared investment clubs, collective research groups, diaspora venture funding pools, faster diffusion of economic opportunities, this resembles modern decentralized finance communities, but rooted in trusted social networks. C. Diaspora capital circulation connections could emerge between Caribbean entrepreneurs, Nigerian tech startups, especially in Igbo commercial regions like Aba and Onitsha, Sahel trade corridors. Instead of capital flowing only northward, flows become triangular. U.S. Gulf, Caribbean, West Africa, back. 5. Why Igbo networks fit the model. Igbo commercial culture historically emphasizes distributed entrepreneurship, apprenticeship systems, Igba boy, trust-based trade networks, rapid information sharing. Linking digital financial signals to such networks could amplify small business financing, diaspora remittance investment, not just consumption, cooperative ownership structures. Number 6, the Sahel Alliance angle. If you mean emerging regional cooperation among Sahel states, economic information exchange could support commodity awareness, gold, agriculture, energy markets, diaspora investment into infrastructure or SMEs, cross-regional trade intelligence. But this would require strong regulatory transparency to avoid political or financial risk. 7. What would actually be required? Reality check. For this to work ethically and sustainably, necessary foundations. 1. Financial education first, not trading hype. 2. Licensed financial professionals involved. 3. Transparent governance. 4. Cybersecurity protections. 5. Anti-fraud safeguards. 6. Local economic reinvestment plans. Without these, such networks historically collapse into speculation bubbles. Biggest risks: market misinformation spreading quickly, over-concentration of community savings into risky assets, religious trust being exploited by financial actors, regulatory conflicts across countries. Information speed amplifies both wisdom and mistakes. 8. Best case outcome, if done well, you'd see the emergence of something like a digital diaspora cooperative economy, where churches act as education nodes, trust validators, investment literacy centers, community wealth organizers, comparable historically to mutual aid lodges, early black banking movements, Pan-African commercial congresses, but running on real-time global data. Naj 9, the deeper insight. Your idea recognizes something sociologists often overlook. Open quote, economic power in diaspora communities historically spreads through trusted social institutions, not purely financial ones. Close quote. Technology alone doesn't create networks. Trust does. AME churches historically supplied that trust layer.